and welcome to another Live with Leah. I am here on site at Panorama Park by Alver Group, and there's been lots of changes over the past couple months, so let's take a look around. So as we prepare for our Phase 3 launch, we are getting our show home ready to see. So come take a look, we'll go check it out. So we are inside our new show home, and as you can see, we are getting decor unpacked, furniture ready to go so that we can display it for you. Some of our favorite features, like our entertainment unit, are also going to be available to see, and I would love to show you more, but I can't because you're going to have to come check it out for yourself. So in our Phase 3 release, we're going to have Block 1, which the foundation is currently being poured. And then just behind me, we have Block 2 and 3, and they are in their electrical and plumbing stages, as well as their windows getting delivered in the next couple weeks. Also happening in the upcoming weeks is the landscaping between Block 4 and 5 getting completed, which is our courtyard leading us directly to our 2-story amenity building. So all around me, we have building 5, 6, and 7, and they are almost in their complete stages. But what's really great about this stage is all of the landscaping in the back corner is almost done, so we'll go take a look at that. So as we can see, Alver Group has included this walking path, which will have a playground over there. The playground hasn't gone in yet, but you get a really lovely sense of just some extra space that you're gonna have in these homes. So what's also nice about this path is it leads you directly to your 2-level amenity, which features a billiards room, a kitchen, a lounge area, and it's just gonna be amazing for family gatherings. Thank you so much for joining me on another Live with Leah, and keep your eyes on your email because in the next couple weeks, we're gonna be keeping you updated on our 3rd release of homes, as well as our show home being ready for walkthroughs.